Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today is very cold. That is why my hands is shaking. Shall we start our practice? If you ready, shall we start? What do you think? If you are only watching a movie in English and reading a book in English, you can speak English? No. This thinking is totally wrong. You have to speak in English. Pick your cell phone or record a video like me. Without practicing of English, without speaking in English, you cannot speak. Speak what you have in your mind. If you go to coaching, what is happening around you, explain in English. If you are going to market and after went to market, explain in your mind what is happening in market. Somebody purchasing a vegetable, some people purchasing a banana, some people purchasing a grocery things, some people riding a bike roughly, some people driving a car roughly. Explain in your mind. If you looked at like this practice, you can start your practice and your confidence will be boost explaining in this situation in English. Start your practice and speak. We do not need advanced English. We need simple understandable word in English and start your practice. Daily basis. Daily speak in 10 minutes daily. Do a meditation. While doing a meditation, thinking in English, I am so happy. I am so lucky. I am so responsible. I am thankful to God that I got a human. And thanks my parents who give a birth to beautiful place. Like this practice, your mind start thinking in English. When you got a time, then pick your cell phone and make a call of call center. Doesn't matter what kind of service provider SIM. Maybe Jio, maybe Vodafone, maybe Airtel. Call and explain. Select a language of English and explain what are you facing, what kind of issue you are facing while using internet or while using call. You explain properly to the call center. He will reply and what is he replying? Listen carefully. What kind of word he used to explain you? Listen and have in your mind. After some time, that word, who word you listened by executive, you used your daily life. Like this practice, you also speak. Find a friend who also want to speak in English and start your practice each other. Some question asked from your friend and your friend ask some question from you. If you start your daily practice, that is called conversation. You can do very well. Then you can speak in English like me. When you go to mall, what is happening in mall, explain in English, and what is happening around you, what are you doing, you explain and think in English. Like this practice, your mind recall English. Then you can speak fluently in English without skip any word, without hesitation. Have a confidence. Don't think my English will go wrong. Don't think my English doesn't have any sense. Speak fluently without meaningful. A day will come, your English have meaningful words, and before you, doesn't matter what kind of man have, you speak and he can also listen and understand your words. Have a good thinking, do a meditation, read an English book, watch an English movie. You can see Bollywood movie in English, you can see South movie in English, and listen what kind of words they use while speaking, and use these words for your practice. If you do like this, one day you can speak fluently. I promise you. I am the example. I did not use any college, any student, institute. I also my practice do like this, and today I will speak in English without any hesitation, anywhere, with anything and anyone. Listen an interview of English and rewind it and listen what kind of word they used while speaking. If listen that word you can't understand, stop it, rewind it and listen it. Like this practice, you can speak English. Understand what is the meaning of English. Don't translate in Hindi. Don't translate in Hindi. Stop it, rewind it, listen it, and pick your phone and open a ChatGPT. That word is spoken. You type in ChatGPT and ask what is the meaning of it. Like example, mob lynching. If you listen this word mob lynching, you can't understand what is the meaning of mob lynching. Then Open your chat GTP and type what is the meaning of mob lynching. Chat GTP will explain you what is the meaning of mob lynching with real example. Like this practice, you can speak, you can understand, and make an environment in your mind 24 hours of English. Use small words in English while doing your work, while reading, while thinking, while playing, anytime. This practice reach you one day your goal. Thank you. We will start our practice of some another video, and this video is not for like, subscribe and views. This video only for one thing: practice of speaking English. This video, the motto of this video, and it's my also motto.